holding on to excess weight, struggling in your relationship with food, compulsive eating, binge eating are all symptoms. They're symptoms of something that is deeper. And in all my years of working with men and women who struggle in their relationship with food, weight, and body image, the most common root cause is safety. It doesn't feel safe to release excess weight. It doesn't feel safe to let go of that protective layer that keeps you in the cocoon. And so instead of focusing on diet and controlling your food and restrictive dieting and all of that stuff, bringing your focus on the root cause, which is safety. How can you start to allow yourself to feel safer? How can you start to treat your body so that it feels safe? When you are depriving yourself, when you are restricting yourself, when you are calling yourself names, you don't feel safe. When you put yourself around people that are not healthy, it doesn't feel safe. So focusing on feeling safer in yourself and in your body will enable you to let go of the excess weight with ease. Bring your attention to the safety issue. Today we're going to do some tapping to support you in creating more safety in your body. And as you create more safety in your body, when you give yourself the ability to draw healthy boundaries for yourself so that you can feel safe, you will then be able to release excess weight with ease and experience more peace around food and let go of the struggle. If you're new to tapping, there'll be a link below that will tell you more about tapping. For today's purposes, take responsibility for yourself and well-being and follow along. Starting on the side of the hand, even though it doesn't feel safe for me to release excess weight, today I choose to love, honor, and forgive myself. Even though it doesn't feel safe to release excess weight, today I accept myself with love and compassion. Even though I've put on weight because I don't feel safe, today I choose to love, honor, and forgive myself. Even though I've been trying to feel safe by adding excess weight, today I choose to love, honor, and forgive myself. I haven't felt safe and I've put on excess weight. And today I choose to love, honor, and forgive myself. Even though I haven't felt safe, today I choose to cultivate more safety in my body, in my life, so that I can release excess weight with ease. Today I choose to create more safety within myself. I choose to treat myself with more kindness so that I will feel safe with myself. I choose to treat my body with more kindness so it will feel safe. I choose to draw healthy boundaries and keep myself feeling safe. And the safer I feel inside me, the easier it will be to release excess weight. Today I choose to cultivate safety within myself. I take good care of myself. And as I take good care of myself, I feel safer and safer. I create a safe environment for myself. I create an opportunity to express myself fully without judgment. I allow myself to feel safe. I choose to feel safe in my body, to release all the self-judgment, to protect myself from people that don't feel safe, to draw healthy boundaries so that I can feel safe, to start to trust myself and my inner guidance to guide me into safety. And as I feel safe within my body, my mind, and my spirit, my body will feel freer to release excess weight. Today I choose safety. I choose to take actions that will enable me to feel safe. I take good care of myself. I choose kindness towards myself. I choose loving affirmations towards myself and my body. I choose to treat myself with love and respect so that I can feel safe. I choose to draw healthy boundaries for myself so that I feel safe. I choose to take good care of myself, create safety, and as I feel safe in my body, it will feel safer and safer to release excess pounds. I can let go of the need to protect myself outwardly with excess weight as I protect myself inwardly by knowing that I can trust myself to take good care of myself. I create a safe environment for myself in my outer world and in my inner world. And as I feel safe, I can release what no longer serves me. I can trust myself to take good care of me. I can feel safer and safer every day. I can stop depriving myself and beating myself up. I can put in lots of good, healthy, nurturing experiences that will help me to feel safe. And as I feel safe, it'll be easier and easier to release excess weight. Today I choose to treat myself with love, honor, and respect, creating safety in my outer world and in my inner world. I choose to have healthy boundaries that will help me to stay safe and feel safe. I choose to take care of myself with love and kindness and respect. I choose to accept and embrace myself wherever I'm at, to refrain from negative self-talk and treat myself with kindness. And as I feel safe, it'll be easier and easier to release excess weight. I'm so grateful and appreciative that I'm taking the time today to address the root cause of my weight issue, to cultivate more safety within myself, within my body. And as I feel safe and trust myself to take good care of me, the weight will take care of itself. Today I choose safety. And I'm grateful and appreciative that I'm taking the time today to cultivate feeling safe within myself. I take the actions today to create a safe environment for me to live in. I take actions today to create a safe inner environment that supports me by the words I say to myself, the way I treat myself, to create more balance and flow in my life so my body feels safe. I choose to cultivate more safety for myself in my body, in my mind and spirit. And I'm grateful and appreciative that I'm taking the time today to cultivate more safety. Today I choose safety. I choose experiences that enable me to feel safer and safer every day. It's safe to be me. It's safe to express myself. It's safe to trust myself, to take good care of myself. Today I choose safety. Bring your hands to your heart and take a deep breath in and let it go. And tune into the energy of safety. What does that look like for you, and what does that feel like to be safe? Have you had experiences in your life where you felt safe? Bring those to mind. What would that look like to bring more safety into your life? How would that be to draw healthy boundaries for yourself so that you can feel safer and safer? To stop the negative self-talk and start talking to yourself with kindness so that you can feel emotionally safe. To treat your body with respect, putting in nourishing foods, nourishing experiences so your body can feel safe. Addressing the root cause is what's going to enable you to heal the symptom. The symptom is weight, maybe compulsive eating, maybe binge eating. No diet in the world is going to help you to feel safer. You have to cultivate safety within yourself. And as you do that, the weight will take care of itself. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. I hope that this was helpful. If this brings up some things for you, then go ahead and continue tapping on this. If you need some support, go ahead and book a strategy call. I would be happy to help you get to the root cause of why you are struggling in your relationship to food, weight, and body image. Until next time, keep on taking good care of yourself. Bye now.